Hey guys, welcome back to uGenesys, and in this video, as always, we are giving you a update of how we trade using our uGenesys trend indicator. Now, this indicator, like I said before, is designed primarily for beginners in the Forex trading world. It will help you to find the best times to trade. It will help you to find the best pairs to trade, and it will help to improve your overall profitability. Now, we're going to look at some of the trades that were taken this morning. All right, so we have a GBP CAD trade. Yeah, I think this is the only one we have for today, actually. Yeah, because this was yesterday. Yeah, so yesterday was the 23rd, today is the 24th. So yeah, that one was yesterday. So today we only have a GBP CAD trade that we took at 2 a.m. and that was basically London session, and it was closed at 3:01 a.m. All right, let me show you the profits that we have. A profit of $224. All right, guys, so like I said, this indicator is designed primarily for beginners because I know a lot of information is online about trading and it can be very overwhelming. So that's why I decided to not only create a trading indicator for myself, but also for other people who are beginners. All right. Um, Let me show you what the indicator looks like because I'm on my phone right now. So I'm not using my computer today. So I'm just going to show you what the indicator looks like when it's on the chart. All right, good. So yeah, this is what the indicator looks like. So you're going to have the currency strength meter on your right, and this helps you to identify which currency pairs are strong for the day so that you can know which pair to trade. And then on the left is where you have the master trend. So this helps you to see the overall trend of the market for that particular day. And then on the chart itself, you'll see we have the different arrows that indicate when to enter a trade. This box represents the London session, which is the best time for people to trade. So we give a specific alert when specific conditions are met during the London session for you to take a trade. Okay. So yeah, it's a very, very simple and easy to use indicator for beginners. So I'm going to put the link to this indicator in the description of the video where you can purchase. And if you have any questions, just send me a message anytime and I'll get back to you. Take care, guys.